This is question number 22 on the November 2012 higher non-calculator paper. The first thing I notice about this question is that there's a star next to the question number. That means that there's some marks for quality of written communication, and I have to write my answer as a sentence or make sure I state everything that I do. Now, this question says A, B, C, and D are points on the circumference of a circle, center O. And I can see that A, B, C, and D are points on the circumference of a circle. The angle AOC is Y, so that angle there is Y. Find the size of angle ABC in terms of Y. Give a reason for each stage of your working, and I guess the reason is the writing that you're doing, and this is what you're going to get your marks for. I'm going to try to do as much of it around the diagram as possible, but let's go back to this angle AOC. So AOC is Y, and they want us to find the size of angle ABC, and the ABC is this angle over here. A, B, C, B in the middle. This is the angle that work out, and I need to think about how I'm going to do that. Now, to be honest, as soon as you see this diagram, you should actually have a good idea of what you're going to do. There is a link between those two angles. This is the angle of the center, supported by A and C. This is the angle of the circumference, supported by A and C. And this angle here is going to be Y divided by 2, and the reason is that the angle supported at the center is twice the angle supported at the circumference. Okay, so the angle supported at the center is twice the angle supported at the circumference, so this here has to be double that angle. If that angle is a half Y, double a half Y gives you Y. I reckon I could go straight to working out this angle now, and the reason for that is A, B, C, and D are on the circumference of a circle. They form a four-sided shape, a quadrilateral. They form a cyclic quad, and opposite angles in a cyclic quad add up to 180 degrees. So these two angles are on opposite sides of each other in this quadrilateral. So if we just focus on the four-sided shape, opposite angles, so that angle and that angle, add to 180 degrees. So I'm going to write that down. So opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to 180 degrees. What that means is Y over 2, which is this angle up here, plus angle ABC, I'll just put a question mark for that, is going to give me 180 degrees. So what that means is angle ABC is going to be equal to 180 take away Y divided by 2, or a half Y. Okay, there's the full reasoning for the answer to this question, and that is my answer. 180 take away Y over 2. This is a pretty straightforward question. Again, a popular topic. Make sure you understand it, make sure you can do it, and make sure you can get all the marks in it.